all at once. Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For this vlog, we would like to thank Alpha 3 Meat Trading. They are a Korean meat shop po located sa Telabastagan along MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Tingnan nyo naman po yung table natin. So they brought us a lot of, Korean goodies. Starting off from my left, meron tayong nori, spicy noodles, fish cake, crab sticks, mga ginagamit sa pang shabu-shabu. We also have mushroom for our samgyeopsal. Now, speaking of samgyeopsal, meron din tayong, unflavored pork and beef meat. And if you notice, guys, meron din tayong mga flavored such as these. So, meron tayong mga sauces and dips. We also have cheese and kimchi. So, ano pa bang ginagawa sa mga ganitong products? Let's cook them downstairs and get back here, cook, and let's try them. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. Right, so ready na tayo magluto? Umpisahan na natin. So, ang susunod naman nating lulutuin ay ang noodles. Meron tayong mga shabu-shabu ingredients dito. So, since wala tayong shabu-shabu, include na lang natin siya sa noodles. Alright, so there you have it, guys. So tapos na nga yung pagluluto natin dito sa mga pagkain na pinadala ni Alpha 3 Meat Trading. Titikman na natin sila. Alright. Oh, wow, ang sarap. Wow. So ang gawin naman natin ngayon, sausaw natin dito sa cheese natin. Wow. So one more time with the cheese. So this time, let's build our lettuce. I want this piece right here. Dipping on our cheese, straight to our lettuce, and a little bit of samjang. Favorite liner ko to kapag kumakain ng samgyeopsal, all in one piece. Oh wow! What a satisfying samgyeopsal, guys. Premium meat. Let's make a space for our noodles. Earlier nga nakita ninyo yung mga shabu-shabu ingredients natin. In-include din natin dito sa noodles natin. Since pwede naman actually yun sama talaga. Oh wow. Still steaming hot. Crab sticks. I like that nori. And of course, some noodles. Check that out. This is still steaming hot. What I like about, nabigay sa atin is it's spicy. It is spicy. Ooh, wow. So, guys, I won't bore you long. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. If you are interested to become a reseller with Alpha 3 Meat Trading, they are available po. So, meron tayong mga retailer price at saka mga wholesaler price. As a matter of fact, kahit po kabubukas lang nila this year, mga products po nila are reaching far Pangasinan and, far north. Nakilala po sila because they can actually supply. If you are a restaurant business owner, home startup business that needs meat such as this, make sure to contact them, guys. Make sure to contact them. Or you can visit them at Barangay Telabastagan along MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. I'm gonna continue enjoying this, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you there!